Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. And Neo, it was down, but you can see it's coming back up. And I was a little bit, I was watching the price. I was like, okay, what's happening? So I found out something, okay, within it. Okay, I told you that this was the resistance, this was the support. And if you watch my previous videos, you are aware that we were in this. I'll quickly just say this, okay? We were in this, where is it? In the weekly, actually. We were in this symmetrical triangle formation. We broke out, came down. Okay, you can watch my previous videos just to confirm. Okay, now if you go to the daily time frame, I told you that this white line is very crucial. Okay, the reason I said that was because you can see uh, broke the white line, went up, came, hit the white line, came down, resistance, 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 broke resistance, went up, came down, held resistance, then went up. Okay, meanwhile, higher lows formed. Okay, just a quick one. Okay, and then came down, support, came up, higher low formed. Okay, and came down, went up. Okay, so this white line is actually, I can say it's like a 50% level for this whole channel. Okay, and then now you can see we broke it. Okay, let's just go to the lower time frame. We broke it, we went down. Let's just take these drawings off and I can show you something what's going on now. Now let's just zoom in. As you can see in the 4 hourly time frame, I drew this. I told you that I was gonna draw this resistance line. The reason was because if you go to the 1 hourly, you might see a little bit better. Okay, we were hitting our head like that. Okay, hitting our head, and then we had this support as well. Okay, now you can see we came out of it. Okay, and this is a really good sign in my viewpoint. Okay, the reason I say that, not only that, we are making an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you can see it right now. Look at this. That's your neckline. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, and whoops, I drew it wrong. Let me do it again. Okay, this, that, this, head, neckline. See, it came all the way down here, but you see it wicked up. Same goes here. It came all the way down, but then it wicked up. A lot of buyers stepped in right over here. And then that's why we're creating this inverse head and shoulder. Okay, you can see the left shoulder, right shoulder, and the head. If you want me to make it a little bit prettier, let me do that. Okay, just so this, that, this, that, and then this, that. You can see a head and shoulder pattern being formed. Okay, now what you want to see is the reason I'm confident about this head and shoulder. I hope it works out the way it's looking out to be, because we came right above this left shoulder over here, the right shoulder. It went down but came up. So now we want to see it come all the way up here, right over here. Okay, and test this. Okay, it might break on the first try, but it's not guaranteed. Might come down a little, create another one of these V-shaped patterns. But if it can break, if whenever this neckline breaks, let's put it this way, okay? There's a price target from the top to the bottom, and wherever the break will come out from, wherever it is, okay? It's going to be right over here. Where is that? Right over here. $33. Okay, and you can see we have resistance over here. But over here is the resistance. So now expect this as well. If the price breaks this yellow line, I'll just change the color. If the price breaks this yellow line, then you know that and closes a candle below it, okay, like a full good candle, okay, below it, then expect the price is coming back in this pattern, okay. So I mean, it's making a bullish pattern. It's out of that resistance, so I think it's looking pretty decent to me now. Again, we can have some ups. Oh, and the most important part, it's above this. It's above this. See, it came. Let me take this off so you can see it. See, it came down, broke this white line in this pattern, this 50% line within the channel, and then now it's above it. Okay, so if we can, just get above it, if we are above it, then expect, because whenever it's above it, you see it hits the resistance. You see it hits the resistance. So if it can just close a candle and the head and shoulder pattern works out, you can actually hit some good levels. Okay, maybe it can be something like this. Okay, and if we break it, then it's upside. Okay, because I think a lot of like analysts are giving a NIO a $60 price target around that range. So I think that this might be a very good accumulation zone. Okay, but we know the support, the resistance. This is the 50% line. So I mean, you guys are smart enough to understand, when the price comes here, accumulation comes here, if it breaks it, where it's going, so if it's here, what it's gonna do. So this is kind of like a cheat sheet, I would say. But okay, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, or I'll just do this for knowledge and entertainment purposes, and I'm trying to make this channel into like a good channel. So give me a subscribe, give me a like, comment below if you have any questions. And what do you think about this head and shoulder inverse head and shoulder pattern? And do you think this pattern makes sense, or it's just whatever? Okay, thank you. Have a good day.